Urhobo Wakobecha. You're welcome to Urhobo Heritage. And here is the word of the day. Ubieta no nekoye omuvwie. Omuvwie say omuvwie. What does omuvwie mean? Omuvwie in English is a freeborn. And you can also interpret it as joint heir. Now let's look at the origin or the story behind the word omuvwie. Back in time, people that lived in Urhobo land, all the towns and villages, we lived together. We have the owners of the land, the original owners of the land, the founders and all his families, all their families, the slaves that were bought or won through war, and strangers. So to differentiate the owner of the land from a stranger or from a slave, you use the word omuvwie to show that this person is an indigene of that community, not by adoption, not by acceptance or naturalization, or no. If you are an omuvwie, it means your father, your ancestors, generally as it is, your ancestors were born and they grew up there and their bones are interred in that place. That it is yours, not from the very beginning. You belong to those who founded that community. That makes you an omuvwie. So for instance, I myself talking, omuvwie, omuvwie, igu. Igu is the land of my birth. If you are an omuvwie, it means, let's assume there is kinship in such community. You can become a king in that community or that omuvwie. Generally, when people introduce themselves in Urhobo, we won't know. That is, where are you from? You will see people saying, meaning that I am a freeborn of Agbo. And by extension, I am a joint heir of the Agbon heritage. You getting it? That is, I am a freeborn of Igu. There may be other people who are maybe descendants of slaves or strangers who became naturalized. You understand? But when you say omuvwie of a place, meaning that you are an original owner of that place, you have all the rights that is accrued to anybody that is from that place. So how do you use it? Omuvwie, odeme, orene choyere. Omuvwie omuvwie riku. Onime oropara. Oseme oriku. Ifo ketie na omuvwie komuvwie agbo. Agbolide. Omuvwie Urhobo miyowa. Ejine de kwenu neyo. We'll see you in another video. Bye bye.